Hola amigos, we are heading down to Sayulita. It's a town about an hour and 20 minutes from where we are in Puerto Vallarta. Never been. It's going to be a new experience taking the bus all the way there. And also, it's a really small town, so there's not much to do. They're saying that it's a beach town, so it's going to be cool. Different beach where we are here for the last couple of months, and also a lot of restaurants, a lot of bars. It's supposed to be a hip town, so take some videos and show you guys what it's all about. Buses leave in front of Sam's Club / Walmart to go to Sayulita, and there is a man usually yelling Sayulita. He will tell you which bus to get on, but don't worry, there are many. It's 50 pesos one way, which is around $3 Canadian, and buses come every 6 to 8 minutes. In Sayulita, we took the bus at 7:15 p.m. to get back. Sayulita, yes. And does it go straight there? Does it stop anywhere? Okay. The bus we had didn't have air conditioning, although some do, but the morning was pretty cool, so it was fine without it. Made it. An hour and 20 minutes later, we have made it to the bus stop. Now it's time to explore. Once leaving the bus station, there wasn't really any directions to the beach. So we followed this local family with beach gear, but a block later, there were clear signs of directions to the beach. On the way to the beach, as you can see in the video, there were tons of restaurants, food stands, coffee shops, clothing stores, boutiques, basically anything you really needed. Also tons of pharmacies in Mexico, including in Sayulita. At 10:30 a.m. with hardly anyone on the beach. Later on in this video, you'll see how packed it gets in the afternoon.
not want to play with Morris.
I need to take the stick.
Okay.
I'm sure you know how much it costs.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. They're really friends. Does this zoom in after or
No.
I have to do it?
This
It's just
doesn't
like
zoom
that?
in, yeah.
Okay, because I'm like... he's stepping on it. That's why it's not lifting up.
We changed spots because where we went, there was no bathrooms. So no, we need bathrooms to change or whatever. So we went somewhere else. It was 300 pesos. And so far, I went in the water, but like I said, extremely wavy. Definitely worth people coming here for surfing, but just to have a swim, not really. We're gonna get a drink soon into town. There's a couple of nice bars around here I read about. Oh yeah, a lot of beach vendors, like non-stop. So just be ready if you either want to buy stuff or just say no necesito, no gracias.